It is gonna be a beautiful, beautiful day. Whoa. Okay, so it's kind of sort of a three-step leap. 1, 2. Whoa, whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We got the Aventador, we got the Gladiator, we got the Super Boys, and we are at the finish line. We are headed off to SEMA. It's about a 2-hour drive from St. George, Utah, off to Las Vegas. I am so excited. Like, we have worked so hard on this, boys. I cannot thank you guys enough for your support. We could go on and on and on, but we're not early, but we're gonna be late. We are off to Las Vegas with the purple trio. This is gonna be so sick. The car alarm on the Aventador is going off right now. Interesting. The trio just looks so sick together. We are causing absolute carnage here in St. George, Utah. And when I say carnage, there's one truck taking cell phone photos of the cars, but it seemed like chaos. Obviously, I gotta elevate the hype because, yeah, it's early. Arizona is just out here flexing on the nation. Are you kidding me, boys? Whoa. We had to take a quick pit stop because, are you kidding me? This is probably the most beautiful sight that has ever been seen on my YouTube channel. Wow, I am so glad we went purple with white wheels on the Supra. Like, to have the trio together, we are about to shut down SEMA. Also, I wanted to point out that yes, the ratchet straps match the dirt bikes, and that was by design. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so it's an hour that way. And of course, on cue, the Aventador car alarm is going off. I can only imagine people driving down the highway, they're like, is that Aventador stolen or is it not? Because we have the trio of cars, it seems a little bit more credible, but nevertheless, the Aventador always has to be obnoxious, even when it's not driving. And we have officially arrived to fabulous Las Vegas. It's like 70 degrees here. Yesterday in Utah, it was legit 9 degrees. So we need to figure out how to get the Aventador off the trailer, which could prove to be a bit curious. We have this sort of ramp that might work. It also might not, and if it doesn't, I don't really know what we're gonna do. I just wanna give a massive shout out to Todd at Agility Customs. Like, he spent his whole weekend getting my 3 cars down here to Vegas, and he's a master with the trailer. The trio looks so sick. So the goal is for that angle to be steep enough that we can just drive the, yeah. Way over there is some scrap wood that we sort of just pillaged and plundered. It was next to a dumpster, so like nobody cared. And so we're creating the angle, boys. You see, this is, I passed geometry, and Todd did as well. So it's all about the geometry. Obviously the Aventador is very low. It does have that front end lift, but this should be the angle we need. I once was a single man, and then I did this. Oh, yes! Todd actually taught me how to do that, but either way, I think we should do it again. And on that bombshell, I'm not gonna say the Aventador is gonna fall off the flatbed. That's not gonna happen. But if it does happen, enjoy one last view of my favorite car in the entire world. We're good, we're good, we're good. I don't really have anything to say, but wish me luck in the comments below. I'd like to thank my mom and dad for incredible genetics. I'd like to thank my 6th grade geometry teacher. I attempted to thank my 6th grade geometry teacher. Boys, we did it. A little bit of stress, but we're good. So now we need to take the Aventador and the Gladiator to the convention center. You can see our craftsmanship right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wood. I'd like to thank the person who left these at that dumpster somewhere in this industrial park in Vegas. Thank you. We're abandoning the Supra right there. We'll come back and get it soon, hopefully. We could go to SEMA, and that would be cool and all, but there's a Cane's right there, so obviously, yeah. Finishing this Supra might have been amazing, but I would reckon this is twice as amazing. Yeah. Girth Nation, Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I'm adding some pounds, boys. We are coming to Canes every single day. We're here in Vegas and we're here for like a week. Well, we're actually going back to Utah tonight, but then we're coming back. You know what I love, guys, is when you leave the key to your Lamborghini Aventador on the passenger seat because you're so excited for Canes. Luckily, nobody stole the car. We have officially arrived to fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. So we are headed to the convention center. We're gonna drop off the Gladiator, the Aventador, then we go back and get the Supra that we abandoned. And we have arrived here to SEMA, Gladiator and the Aventador. So we're just sort of in the queue. Eventually we're gonna go to the convention center. I think, I really have no idea what we're doing, but we've made it. Another MK5 Supra, looks sick. The Aventador and the Gladiator are parked up here in the blue lot at the Las Vegas Convention Center, but we sort of kind of abandoned the Supra. Hopefully nobody stole it, but we really don't know. Somebody might have. We got the Huracan Spider right there. Yes, 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 yes. He was not supposed to rev it, but he did, and we thank him for that. And we got the twin turbo Performante. That thing is so sick. Look at that. All right, SEMA's gonna be sick, but we're late. We are headed that way to get the Supra that hopefully has not been stolen. Hopefully not. I mean, hopefully not, hopefully not. Awesome, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Ooh, look at that Aventador Roadster. That color's insane. I think that's blue Cephas. We're gonna flex on him. That's right, that's right, that's right.
Stop, bro. Stop.
I need to build a Jeep like that. What? That's insane. We just arrived to check in at SEMA in the Supra. I don't know if you can see the big Willys Jeep behind, but just standard SEMA things. Like the cars that are at SEMA are unlike any other show in the entire world. So we just need to check in and then we're gonna load in. We're getting a personal escort by a cowboy on a golf cart named Rich, and we are headed into the convention center to SEMA Central. That's right, boys, front and center. We're getting behind the scenes, exclusive, unprecedented access. Okay, there's like a million people around, but nevertheless, check it out. We are rolling into the main hall at SEMA. This is how you film SEMA. Check that out. We got the GT40 right there. That is sick. And this Supra is wide, boys. I do not want to hit one of these stands. Oh gosh. Not sure how I feel about the chrome wheels, but we'll live with it. I want to rev the Supra in the convention center. I want to let everybody know that we're here, but the placard says no burnouts, no horn blasts, no revving engines, and no rolling coal. We were gonna roll coal, but well, we can't. We got another Pandem wide body Supra in yellow. That thing is sick too. Don't make fun of me. Off-road mode engaged. Slightly nerve-wracking, but we have made it here to SEMA Central in the Supra. Obviously, we got to get it cleaned ASAP, but check this thing out. We are in the center of SEMA with the Supra. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got to clean it, and then I don't know what. Front and center, the Supra is in its final resting point for the next week. It looks so good. Massive shout out to everybody who has helped on this project, boys. Like, we have made it. We are in the center of SEMA. There's only 6 cars in the Grand Hall, and we are one of them. Check that out. Also, I swapped out the license plate from the Gallardo to put it on the Supra. So yeah, if the Utah Highway Patrol is watching today's video, I'm gonna change the license plate. Don't worry about it, don't worry. We have the yellow Pandem wide body Supra. It looks so cool. That splitter is finished in carbon and the side skirt. This guy is flexing on me right now. Are you kidding me? Rear decklet is finished in carbon too, and the wing. Are you kidding me? Bro, why you gotta do me like this? This Supra is sick. Like, this is sick. I thought we were special. Every other car is a wide body Supra. We got another Pandem one. This one in red looks stunning though. That is sick. We're here at the Toyota stand. Toyota's gonna reveal something new for the Supra under these covers. Like, we could get world exclusive. Like, I don't even see security. Like, we could. We're not going to because that's not my jam. But we got 2 big wings on these Supras. I think it might be like the TRD Pro Supra. Oh, whoa. We are being flexed on right now. Look at that Supra. That is sick. The Gazoo Racing Supra wide body. That is so sick. Jeez. The whole build up to SEMA, I was like, we're gonna flex on SEMA, but I think SEMA is flexing on us right now. The Supra game is unreal, and as it stands, we have another Supra under an orange cover. This is insane. Like, every single other car here is a Supra. My first time at SEMA was 5 years ago. Now, obviously I didn't have any cars on display. I couldn't get credentials. I could not get a pass to get into SEMA. And so I went dumpster diving to find credentials. Sure enough, some hero, some mate actually had thrown theirs away. And that's how I got into SEMA. And here we are, boys. 5 years later, we got 3 cars on display. And just like that, the Gladiator is clean. The Aventador is clean under palm trees. We will see these cars in a couple days, but we are headed to get the truck and we're headed home. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's our flight. That's our flight in 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding. We have to drive back to Utah. We're not flying. We couldn't afford the airfare, boys. Another Supra, boys. Another Supra. Are you kidding me? I thought we were gonna be special. I thought we were gonna flex on the nation. We were gonna shut down SEMA. But no, SEMA has not been shut down. I have been waiting for this moment for so long. All the cars are tucked away at SEMA, and now we just get to chill and have a food vlog. I have the diet of a 9-year-old, but it's been a long day. We are hopping in the F350 and we are headed home. We'll be back in Vegas in 2 days, I think, yeah.